It's Wednesday, August 9th. You can just look at that all day long.
Absolutely.
The elephant ears look really good. Butterfly bush there. This Cicada has done really good here.
So happy.
You know, I'm going to bring up some from down the hill where that other stuff is.
Yeah.
Because it's just a huge patch. What's this thing here?
That's a clematis.
That clematis really loves that spot.
I know, I need to
We had such trouble with it until this year.
Yeah.
And look at that thing. It's
I totally need to get like a bigger
like a trellis.
trellis.
Yeah, good luck getting it into this.
I know, right? It's so rocky.
Remember, this is nothing but 75% rock and 10% dirt and 15% mulch. Absolute crap.
Yeah.
And then these little fellas.
Yeah,
you know, we didn't have any problems with stinkhorn mushrooms this year.
no, we didn't.
Wonder why. I don't know. Hey, I want to, let's go across the street where you found these, what are they, black-eyed Susans?
Black-eyed Susans.
Look, the Japanese beetles continue to eat our birch. Look at this across the road here.
It's a beautiful big patch.
That is a huge patch.
I know, and I don't remember seeing them before.
No, well, they were mowed down the last year.
Oh.
They were more mowed down.
Yeah.
But you see, like this thing over here, I'll have to cut this down. This thing can get out of hand.
Yeah.
But I think I'd like to go in and dig some of them out.
For sure.
Hey, what's this? What's this goofy blue flower here? Any idea?
No, probably just a weed.
Probably a weed.
But as my mother would say, someone's weed is someone else's flower.
We got some more of these down here, don't we?
Yeah.
Let's go take a look. Our lovely little road. Are those berries up there that fall into the roadway? Yeah.
Yeah.
We've got berries there, and then we've got walnuts up here. So the road's constantly stained. Here's the drainage culvert that I cut all the burdock down.
That's where the raccoons live. They come across the street.
Really?
And they go in there, yeah.
They go in there? Yeah. I cut all that burdock down, and look, it all just popped right back.
Yeah.
But anyway, diversion. Look at that.
It's a nice little patch.
That's a really nice patch. And there's more even down here.
Yeah. That'd be fun to put next to the daylilies. Just having like a bed of daylilies and these kind of wild black-eyed Susans.
Right.
Yeah, they're pretty.
That's great. All right, that's it for today.